So we are going to explore the oil sands of Alberta through a series of maps. What we need to do is to find the layers that are useful. So we're just going to simply copy the descriptor of uh, the layer, and then we want to browse for layers. Remember that you want to be on ArcGIS Online. And this is the one we're looking for right here with all the little dots on it. Now we're going to find our next layer. It's always best to copy and paste the names of the layers, because if you make any mistakes, then you will not be able to find the layers. So, this one is a little weird. We have to search for landform regions of Canada, but the actual name of the layer is called physiographic regions. All right, and our last one, provinces and territories. So now that we have all of our layers, we can use this little back button to get to the names of the layers. So here they are, 1, 2, and 3. It looks like we're missing something here. We are missing provinces and territories. Oops. I must not have clicked on it. Which one do we need by Esri Canada? All right, so provinces and territories of Canada. All right, I think it's this one here. Okay, so there we go. All right, so now when I click back, I've got all of my layers. Realize that I can turn layers off by clicking on the little eyes. And I'm going to pan out so that we can see the province here. Let's start off with filtering our layers. So we want to filter this layer here, the provinces and territories. We want it so that just Alberta is going to be able to be seen. So if I click on the little filter tool here, I'm going to add a new filter. Now I could use abbreviation as Alberta. That works. And when I click on save, now just Alberta is being highlighted. It's okay for us to have all the physical regions so we can see where everything is located. When it comes to the historic First Nations treaties, I'm just going to turn off these other layers. The problem with the historic treaties one is they're all the same color. So we want to click on this change styles. And we want unique style options. And oops. Wait a sec. We need to add a field here. So we're going to get rid of this one. And instead, we're going to choose. I think this is it. Yes. Okay. So you'll see all the treaty names here. And we don't want to have an other category. So we're just going to click on style options here. and go down to where it says other. There's 32-ish. That's not good because some of them are in the area that we're concerned about. So let's see here. Um, yeah, treaty number 8. Okay, we're going to turn on treaty 8, and I think that should fix it. Treaty 8. Done. Done. Well, looks like we're not going to be able to get the color of Treaty 8 to be changed. We've got the other ones that are different colors. Okay, that's fine. So just make sure that when you do that change style, this is what field you're going to use, the C treat, and it's going to make each one a unique color. Okay, now the last one, the oil sands, we actually want it to be on top so that we can always see the little dots of the oil sands to see exactly where it's located. So we got oil sands, and they disappear if you pan out too much. So you can clearly see now the location of the oil sands when it comes to the different treaty areas. You can see it whereabouts it is in the province, and you can see where it is for the physiographic regions. Perfect. So now what we need to do is save our map. So save, give it an appropriate name. And then click save. It's always a good idea to change the share settings at this point. So share map, manage sharing. In this case, we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to share it with the entire organization just to keep things simple. That way your partner can also see it.